My name is Dr. Jasmine Kaur, and I'm a 2018 batch MBBS graduate. I secured a rank of 75 in the INS Set November session, and my NEET PG 2025 rank is 898. So I'd like to share some glimpses of my journey and some tips and tricks that I feel can be helpful. So I started my NEET PG preparation in May 2024 when I was done with my internship. I did not get a lot of studying done in internship because it was unmanageable. It felt like it felt too much. It felt overwhelming, and I knew that I would not be able to give it a good shot. So I started studying after my internship was over, and my NEET 24 rank was 70,000. And it was after that that I realized that I need to be more organized. Because before that, it's not like I did not study for 2 months. I studied, but I was not organized. There was no fixed schedule I was following. It was completely haphazard. After my NEET ranks came, I purchased BTR. And for 2 months, I only followed ma'am's schedule. That's all I did. I watched 2.0 videos completely, and I did one cycle of TND. I gave GTs and was solving QBank, obviously, in the form of custom modules. And with that, I got a rank of 3200 in INI November. Then I got a rank of 2400 in INI May. And these were little wins. These were little baby steps towards my goal, and they were very motivating. That okay, this is doable. From 70,000, when you reach 2400, you feel okay. This is doable. I can do this. And it was after May INI that I came to Vidya Jeevan for the first time. I went there for the 4-day offline GT program. It was amazing. I mean, as hectic as it was, I was completely drained by the 4th day because 4 GTs followed by discussion every day for more than 12 hours. It was very draining. But on the last day, NEET PG got postponed. So I decided to stay back. An offline TND program was announced, and I decided to stay back. So I was there for June and July, and I think as a student who was already in a good place, I was already well prepared. But I realized when I gave the GTs that if I stay here, it will give me that one final push that I need. It will take me from 150s to 160s and maybe 170s if I'm lucky enough. And that is exactly what it did. I was already well prepared, but it gave me an edge. Being in ma'am's presence, having sir to talk to, and being in such a conducive environment where everybody, we became one family, one community, which only wants what is best for each other. There's no competition there, and if it's there, it's healthy competition. You would look at your friends and you would want to be like that. That's all. There's no malice, and that's great. I think that's a great environment created by the teachers, ma'am, sir, Apurva sir. The Apurva sir's words were very motivating. They were a breath of fresh air in this journey, definitely. And yes, so the environment was captivating. It was the final push that I needed. And once I got a rank of 898 in NEET, my self-confidence only increased, and I felt that I can let's give November INI a final shot. Let's give it our best shot. So I went there again for Bootcamp 3.0. Now, what did I do differently for this session, November INI? I think it would be that I increased my MCQ practice multifold. Before that, I was doing 100 and maximum 150 MCQs a day. Minimum 100, maximum 150. For INI, I was doing 300 to 400 questions a day. I was targeting the subject-wise QBank, and I was doing all of ma'am's TNDs, every question. There was a mini test daily at Vidya Jeevan, daily 50 questions, all PYQ based. And for INI, PYQ and PYT mastering is very essential because you need to get into the head of the examiner, and there is a set of questions, there is a set of topics which are INI favorites, or like core INI topics. So it's easy to crack, it's easy to predict. That's the thing. So you do a lot of questions, you keep your revision at hand, and it's doable. And also daily goals, daily targets are important. Before NEET, I did not have very set daily targets, but that is also something I changed. My timetable, my schedule was very well organized, that this has to be done today. And I think these are the small steps which make it easy and make it achievable. Thank you.